High Springs FL Curb Appeal entry doors are a smart way to upgrade the look and value of any property. A new front door installation can instantly improve home entry door design, create a stronger first impression, and support curb appeal upgrades for homes throughout High Springs, Florida. From modern front doors to classic entry doors, the right style can transform an exterior while complementing the architecture of nearby homes in Alachua County and North Central Florida. Entry doors. High Springs installation services should be handled by professional door installers who understand fit, function, and long-term performance. Entry door contractors. High Springs Homeowners Trust can manage everything from door frame installation to door hardware installation, ensuring a clean, secure finish. With High Springs FL entry door services, property owners can choose durable residential entry doors that are built for everyday use, local weather, and lasting visual appeal. High Springs energy-efficient doors are a practical choice for homeowners looking to reduce drafts and improve interior comfort. Energy-efficient entry doors and insulated entry doors help maintain indoor temperatures while supporting lower utility costs in Florida's changing seasonal conditions. For homes needing tighter protection against moisture and heat, entry door sealing and weatherproof front doors can deliver a noticeable difference in performance. Entry doors High Springs are popular for their balance of style, strength, and low maintenance. These fiberglass entry doors can mimic the look of wood entry doors while offering improved resistance to warping, swelling, and weather damage. For homeowners seeking dependable solutions in High Springs, Florida, fiberglass models can be a strong option for front door replacement. High Springs FL projects and full entry door replacement upgrades. High Springs steel front doors and steel entry doors offer reliable security and durability for homes and rental properties alike. Secure entry door solutions are especially important for families wanting added protection without sacrificing style. With High Springs secure front entry doors, homeowners can improve safety while also selecting decorative glass doors, contemporary finishes, and hardware that match the rest of the home's exterior design. Entry doors. High Springs give homeowners the ability to personalize their exterior with features that reflect their style and the character of the property. Custom entry doors can include decorative glass doors, unique panel configurations, and a wide range of finishes for both modern exterior doors and classic entry doors. High Springs decorative entry doors are also a strong option for homeowners who want a distinctive design that stands out in the neighborhood. High Springs wood entry doors remain a timeless choice for homeowners who want warmth, texture, and traditional charm. Wood entry doors can be crafted to suit historic homes, farmhouse styles, and upscale residences throughout High Springs, Florida. When paired with proper entry door sealing and quality door frame installation, wood options can provide an elegant appearance while maintaining dependable function and visual impact. High Springs hurricane impact doors and hurricane-rated doors are essential for homeowners who want added protection during severe weather. High Springs weather-resistant entry doors are designed to handle high winds, heavy rain, and debris exposure common across Florida. For homeowners comparing exterior door services, these storm-ready options offer an important blend of safety, durability, and long-term value for properties in High Springs and surrounding areas. High Springs residential door replacement is often the right solution when an old door becomes damaged, inefficient, or outdated. Entry door repair can help with smaller issues, but front door replacement and entry door replacement may be more cost-effective when frames, seals, or panels have deteriorated. High Springs door frame repair, High Springs door hardware replacement, and complete exterior door services can restore both performance and appearance quickly and efficiently. High Springs affordable front door installation is available for homeowners who want quality without overspending. High Springs licensed door contractors and High Springs exterior door installers can provide reliable entry door installation. High Springs, Florida residents can count on, with options for High Springs home improvement doors that fit a variety of budgets. Whether the project involves High Springs patio and entry door experts or specialized entry door contractors. High Springs, the goal is to deliver strong, attractive, and secure results for every home in High Springs, Florida.